Welcome to this GED Math Booster video. Today's problem involves dividing with square roots. Here is today's problem. What is the value of the expression below? And this is important. We need to be able to do this without a calculator. We could easily type this into our calculator and get a result. So this might be in those first 5 questions of the test where you can't use a calculator. So let's learn how to do it that way. There is an important property of square roots that we want to be aware of. And it looks like this, and I understand that that notation may not make a lot of sense to you. Let me try to explain it. This means that if we are presented with the square root of a number divided by the square root of another number, we can rewrite that as the square root of the fraction of those two numbers. This might make more sense in an example. So let's take a look at that. Our example is the square root of 12 divided by the square root of 3. Now we look at those two numbers and we don't know the square root of 12 in our head, and we don't know the square root of 3. So how could we do this? Well, we can take advantage of this property and rewrite this as the square root of 12 over 3, or 12 divided by 3. Now watch what happens when we divide 12 by 3. We get 4. So that is equal to the square root of 4, and hopefully we recognize that the square root of 4 is the number 2. So being able to rewrite that expression as the square root of a fraction allowed us to divide and then solve it. So now let's tackle our problem. The square root of 72 divided by the square root of 2. To solve this problem, we want to do the same thing. We are going to rewrite this division of two square roots as the square root of a fraction. The square root of 72 over 2, or 72 divided by 2. We do that division and we get the number 36. Our expression up here is equivalent to the square root of 36. And we should recognize that the square root of 36 is just the number 6. We look up at our multiple choice answers, and there we have it, C6. The key takeaway from this video is that the division of two square roots can be turned into the square root of the fraction of those two numbers. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful.